how to fix the spamming message on your group chat. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit or how to turn off the spamming message on your group chat. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Signal application, click on your group, and now click on the profile group up there, and now you have the spamming message. I have 5 minutes, but I don't like it. All I need to do is click on it, and maybe I click on off and turn off this option at all. Like when enabled, new message sent and received in this chat will disappear after they have been seen. Now click whatever you want: 30 seconds, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 8 hours, 1 day, 4 weeks. You choose whatever you want and click on save. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.